Firmware updates. Why do we need them? Well, all connected devices are exposed to evolving cyber threats, making regular updates essential to maintain cyber protection. But they also introduce new risks. If attackers intercept the update process, they can inject malicious code, endangering the system and its users. This is where Winbond W77QNW Secure Flash Memory Series steps in, providing a built-in secure update process that ensures every firmware update is authenticated and tamper-free. Authentication and integrity form the foundation of W77QNW protection. Each update is verified through a secure process using private keys on the company side and public keys on the product side. This ensures the update is genuine and hasn't been compromised during transmission. While current encryption methods are robust, tomorrow brings new challenges. That's why the W77Q and W series implements post-quantum cryptography encryption, future-proofing your firmware updates against emerging quantum threats. The W77Q and W series anti-rollback mechanism adds another layer of protection, blocking attempts to revert to previous versions. Each update is meticulously verified, ensuring only the latest firmware is installed. Once the update image is fully downloaded, it is then applied as a single, uninterrupted operation at the hardware level. This approach eliminates risks such as partial updates or corruption from power failures. With Winbond W77Q and W Secure Flash, your devices stay secure through every update, ready for today's and tomorrow's security challenges. Secure your firmware updates with Winbond W77Q and W Secure Flash.